Hi everyone, my name is Helen Roberts and I am from How to Start a Business. And today I'm going to talk to you about the 7 reasons why now is a great time to start a business. Now during this short video, I'm going to share with you the 7 key reasons why now is a great time for you to get started in your business. It's vital to watch this video through if you're seriously thinking about starting a business right now, or if you're weighing up your options about whether or not starting a business is the right thing for you, or if you want to learn why now is a great time to get started. So let's look at the economy and what's going on right now. So the World Bank predicts that the global economy will shrink by 5.2% in 2020. Now that's the worst performance since 1946, post-World War II. Now the US economy is already in recession, and the Bank of England are saying that we're going to experience the sharpest decline and downturn since 1706. Guys, that's 314 years ago. It's staggering. It's incredible. Now, guys, in terms of COVID and what's happening, COVID-19 cases are now continuing to grow and increase across the UK, Ireland, and worldwide. And that is having a massive impact on business bottom line. Now, as a result, millions of people are going to be made redundant or become displaced, creating mass unemployment. Now, some sectors or some industries are currently on their knees already. Aviation, travel, high street retail, leisure, just to name but a few. Now, also with the increase of technology and automation, businesses are hiring less people now than ever before because they can replace it by digitization. So as a result, more people will get started in their own business. Now, it's not all doom and gloom. History shows us, and history is a great teacher, and many successful businesses are created in recessionary times too. And I can give you 2 household names that you will now know, and everybody knows: Airbnb and Uber. They were born in 2008 in the financial crisis there, okay? So guys, imagine 10 years from now, what household names will we have and will we know really well, and that will be a global business that were born in 2020. So as Walt Disney said, it's time to quit talking and it's time to start doing. So let's dive in and let's have a look at why now is a great time for you to start a business. Reason number 1, opportunities abound. With the impact of COVID-19, many businesses are grappling with the new market and with the new normal, and they're unsure about what to do. Some people have gone out of business. Some people are looking at, what they can do. They haven't created a new strategy for growth, and they're just stuck. They're in standstill. They're actually waiting for it to go back to normal. But actually, guys, as you and I know, this is the new normal. They're going to be waiting for a long time because it's never going to go back to the way that it was before. And then a recession creates an abundance of problems. And this is great news for startups. When you're starting a business, you're always looking at solving a particular problem or a challenge that your customer has. Now, a startup is fast, it's nimble, it can keep its costs lean, and it can operate much faster, much more effective, and much cheaper than alternatives. And if you can do that, people are going to buy from you. Reason number 2, increased AI and technology. Now, what does this mean for you? This means that there's smarter and better technology, more sophisticated technology than ever before. And you can create a global business from your bedroom. You can work with people in all parts of the globe from your bedroom, and you can do it from a fraction of the price. Now, with more sophisticated technology, it means that you can scale your business much faster. You can utilize automation, which will allow you to do the bulk of the heavy lifting 24/7, 365 days a year. So that allows you to get to market faster. It keeps your costs lean, and you can create scale much faster than you would have been able to do before. Number 3, access to talent. In recessionary times and in downturns, it opens up your access to brilliant, highly skilled, talented people that you would never have maybe been able to access otherwise. Now, there'll be plenty of them available because of the downturn, and also they'll be available for less as well. So if you can create a vision and a mission that excites them, they're going to want to jump on board and become part of your talent bank that's going to help you to create the business that you want. So it's a fantastic time. You're going to be able to access talent that you would never have been able to maybe access before. You need to excite them and delight them with what you want to bring to the world. You'll also get access to some talent through government schemes, the apprenticeship schemes, where they actually provide support and funding to help you to gain access to some support on the apprenticeship side too. So number 4, you're not on your own. Guys, let me tell you, when I started my first business in 98, I was pretty much on my own. And I can tell you now, there's never been so much support available than there is today. You've got access to people like mentors, coaches, business consultants, online training programs, government and local government support programs, universities, accelerators, incubators, all providing programs. And many of those programs are for free. And not to mention, you can access, books, ebooks, podcasts, tools, all free of charge. Templates. In the history of starting a business, there's never been so much support available to you. You can actually train with people all over the world from the comfort of your couch. And reason number 5, funding available. There's never been so much access to funding for startups than ever before. It's never been easier to access funding. There's so many funding partners out there. VCs, angel investors, private equity firms. There's numerous crowdfunding platforms. There are phenomenal ways for friends and family and followers to get involved to support your startup through tax-free initiatives or tax incentives for them to help you to get started. And also, we're seeing more bigger businesses getting involved and corporates getting involved in helping people to start up by providing accelerators, incubators, and also funding digital skills and other skills needed to start a business. Businesses like Amazon, like Google, like Salesforce, and they're to just name a few, and they're all interested in boosting startups and moving them forward. Reason number 6, it costs less. In recessionary times, you'll find right across the market, you're going to get better deals. Your paid advertising, for instance, your paid traffic, so costs per click, I know have gone down by 50 to 80%. I've worked with hundreds of businesses over the last few months, and that's what they're reporting. So it's incredible, staggering decrease. More people and companies have discounted rates because they're all vying for your business. They want you to buy now. Things in general like office space, furniture, office equipment, business services, overhead costs will all be lower than they would normally, because again, everybody realizes that we're in this difficult time and we need to make sure that we capitalize on the cash that we bring in. So therefore, they're decreasing costs. There's so much competition out there. Everybody is vying for your business and costs are going much lower. So that's good news for you. And number 7, increased collaboration. So when it's recessionary times or when things are in downturn, more businesses are open to collaborating. And they are because they want to obviously boost their offering itself as well. So you could create a joint venture or strategic partnership, and it will make it a really fast route to market for you because they already have a client bank. They've got a customer bank of people that know and like and trust them. And they've got access to the infrastructure that they need and the resources that they need to grow quickly. Startups and small businesses can bring a new offer to them, a new offering to them that they can offer to their customers that will delight those customers and will help you to be able to build and scale really quickly. So the important thing about collaboration is making it a win-win. If it's not a win-win, it's not going to work. So guys, that completes the 7 reasons why now is a great time to start a business. And what we're seeing is this. People are starting a business for many reasons right now. Some people have been made redundant and want to now be the captain of their own ship and start a business for themselves so that they can take ownership of where they're at. Other people think that it's a great time to use this time to start a business whilst they're working their day job and they're building this on the side. So they're building an additional revenue stream to get this up and running and get it ready so that they'll eventually be able to quit their job. Other people no longer enjoy doing what they do, or they don't want to go back to the commute that they had prior to the lockdown. And so they're thinking about now starting a business for themselves. And other people, they are, looking at ways to do what they're passionate about and what they love, as opposed to doing what they hate for a paycheck. And other people want to make more money. They want to make more money to help them to live the life that they want, and actually to create the life that they want for themselves and their family. And others want to create more time freedom. They want to work in a time that suits them and from wherever they want to work from in the world itself today. So whatever the reason it is for you, guys, now is a great time to get started in business. An old ancient proverb is, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time to is now. So startups are a key driver to the economic growth and job creation, and it's often the catalyst for radical innovation. Now, there are challenges and there are opportunities for people right now in business. Many people are battling for survival. Many companies are navigating a new model for growth, and many businesses are absolutely thriving. So it's imperative to have the know-how and how to navigate the whole startup phase and to get that right, especially through these testing times. So guys, if you're serious about starting a business and creating that life that you want for you and for your family, join us for an upcoming free webinar that we're running. And it's about learning the 3 secrets to building your own successful business in 30 days or less without needing to have any previous business experience. So join us for this free webinar and gain access by clicking on the link below and sign up and access that. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to receive more like this, please feel free to subscribe, and please feel free to like it and share it across your networks. So guys, don't let anything stop you from achieving your dreams. So until next time, bye everybody.